Where's the Apple store? What did she say? Apple store. Apple store. Apple store.
Busy out here, man. Is the exhaust on that side? Right? Alright, go on. I need to get my front brakes done when I get my major service done. Oh no. Oh, dude, I don't know, man. You're leading, bro. Like it's right. Oh, we can't turn right anyway. Yeah, that's fine. What the fuck's the truck doing in here? Tram work or whatever, but now they've actually fucking finished it, I guess. Sorry? Yeah. Oh, that. Yeah. We're on George Street, dude. Shit. Oh man, everybody's out and about. Well, we can go straight. That's positive. Hay Street. Oh. Hey, shot. Oh boy, look who's stuck in the way now. Oi! Someone's in the way. I'm so weird seeing the tram right there. So, do you know where we're going? Alright, sweet. that shit into neutral. 104 degrees. Where's the Apple store? What did she say? Friday night. Prioritise all the people that are fucking walking around drunk out of their minds. I mean, it's 1:46. Oh my god, no. Just look for us. Yeah, just here. We can just chill here. It's fine. We can park behind the car. It's not a big deal. We're not here for that long, I guess. Oh, that looks real dodgy to want to ride down that. Oh. I don't know. We're going to find out. I'm going to turn off. Whoa, dodgy. That's why I'm going to leave it in first. Oh, it's so high up at the back. Is that your fan? No, that's your fan. Oh, yeah, there. Yeah. Oh no, because I turned that off because it was really bright and annoying one night. Huh? Yeah, the super waterproof. Oh, fucking hill starts, man. Where are you going? Where are you going? We have to turn left up here. Oh no, we stay on this side. We stay on this. Fuck, man, this thing is indecisive as fuck. No, my GPS is just like fucking one way or another. Fuck, as soon as we turned up, I thought you knew we were going. I was like, oh, we're gonna turn right up here. Damn, dude. Oh, we gotta fucking send them before this guy gets in the way. Yeah. I know. But it's like a 2-lane thing. Well, actually, I think he's turning left. I don't know, dude. No, this guy is. No gear. I don't understand how people ride with no gear at all. It's like they just... I know. Until I realised how important it was. Oh, there's something flashing. What the fuck? Oh, it's a bicycle. Oh, what the fuck? We can't turn left. We can't turn... What? They've closed it off, man. Yeah. Wait, so we have to turn... Oh, fuck that, man. Yeah, we can't get in there. Shit. I don't know where I'm going now. Well, I'm just hoping the GPS... Oh, the GPS is reset. Apparently I'm supposed to turn left. Oh, she's starting to rain, man. It was back down there. Yeah, back down there. I don't know if we can... Can we go back down there? Dude, I don't know, man. Indicator. Oh, there we go. This is a dead end, isn't it? Yeah, this is alright. No, this is alright. Back here, just there. Yeah. Except I want my good side. I want my exhaust side. Yeah, fuck, I'm not going through it. I want my good side. Yeah, which is this side. Well, you can keep that. You can keep it there, like just facing. Yeah. Oh shit. I don't know if my fan's on. Is it? No, it's not. Okay. Well, this is. Oh no, see, down there's where I want to go. That road down there. I mean, can we still get decent photos from here? No, I'm turning it off. It's gonna. Oh wait, no, my thing's on. You know how to get back to your place from here, yeah? Alright. I feel like it's better photos than. Nah, that's pretty fucking. It's good, but like, yeah. If I had an actual, like a mirrorless camera or something. No, I can't fit it in my bag. Yeah, just like a mirrorless one. No, I can't. With all the shit that I brought, no, I can't. Because I brought these shoes and I brought my other shoes. Yeah. I was supposed to bring my other shoes, but to here, but I don't know, man. Like it's okay, but like it's not the main. What the fuck's that? Oh, it's a train. I thought it was a fucking wind picking up. At first, I wanted to go to Bondi, but I don't know how I feel about it being nice at night. Oh, fuck, man, this has been a big adventure for the CBR today. This week. Yeah, boy. Nah, I'm not getting any decent photos. Oh, well, but it's the experience, man. It's the experience. Fuck, man, this thing is so heavy. No, dude, when I was moving that back at the fuel station, so much lighter. I don't know. No, I don't want to cause too much attention around here. One was enough. Hopefully it doesn't actually start pouring down. Ready to go? Oh, is that a Ferrari? What is that? Oh no, it's a Mazda. What the fuck? I thought it was... Oh, it's a Maserati! I saw the front and I saw blue and I was like, oh, it's a Mazda 3. Yeah. Oh, what the fuck is this? I've not been here before. Oh, hello. What we got here? Got a couple of bikes. Is that a 600? Oh, it's a 675. It's an MT. It's an MT, dude. Huh? Oh no, the rain. Yeah. Just chuck it in the oil or something. I would like to bring the bikes just over there. In a way, no. Not really, it's just reflecting. It's not really working. Yeah, that's working. Oh well, fuck it. Do you want a photo on your bike? Okay, well, I'm pretty much all sorted out. I'm ready to go home. Yeah. I'm fucking tired, man, riding from Wollongong. I don't know how you're not tired. You've been riding all day. Oh, I'm so exhausted.